Here are the steps to become a notary in Oklahoma. To start, you'll need to read the application instructions and fill out the form. Submit it with the application fee to the Secretary of State. You'll receive an email with instructions for completing the required National Criminal History Record Check. Once the Criminal History Record Check is complete, your application will be processed. Next, you'll receive a package from the state that includes your commission, the state's notary public guide, and a blank bond form that includes 2 oaths, one for loyalty and the other is your oath of office. Pay close attention to the issuing date on your commission form. It's the start date for your 60-day window of time to finish the rest of the process to become an Oklahoma notary. Next up, you'll need to get your official notary seal and a $10,000 bond. After that, you'll take your bond form and your stamp to a current Oklahoma notary. They'll administer your oaths, watch you add your seal impression, and complete all 3 of the required notarizations. Once that's all done, you'll send the completed bond form and filing fee to the Secretary of State. Before you start notarizing, you must receive notification that your bond, seal, and oaths have been received and approved by the Secretary of State. You can view additional information about the Oklahoma commissioning process by clicking the link in this video's description. And remember, you must meet the following qualifications to become a notary in Oklahoma. Are you ready to become a notary in Oklahoma? Then visit us at nationalnotary.org/Oklahoma. Visit nationalnotary.org/Oklahoma to get started today.